Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting both devices ready. Update Quest 2 and the virtual desktop app right away, because versions must match. Once done, enable developer mode so advanced streaming features are available. This unlocks low latency settings. Make sure your PC uses Wi-Fi 5/6 or a wired 1 Gbps connection and GPU drivers are current, because bandwidth and driver support determine smooth frame delivery. Now pair your Quest and PC network. This is the first actionable step toward a stable VR desktop. You install the virtual desktop streamer on your PC and run it as administrator so it can access GPU encoders. Once running, configure bitrate and refresh rate to match your Quest 2. Higher bitrate improves clarity, while matching refresh rate prevents jutter. Select the proper encoder, hardware when available, to reduce CPU load. Then lock your PC to a static IP and prefer a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. Make sure port forwarding is set if you plan remote access. These steps optimize latency and reliability. You now open Virtual Desktop on the Quest, pair to your PC, either by entering the streamer code or confirming same Wi-Fi. Once connected, start a test app to verify latency. Then optimize in app settings. Enable asynchronous reprojection or space warp if available, tweak bitrate and foveated rendering to balance clarity versus performance. If you experience stutter, switch to a wired Oculus link, reduce bitrate, or update GPU drivers. These fixes address the most common network and driver causes and will restore a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.